In today's video, we're going to review this wireless charging case for AirPods. These are the third generation. Okay, so as you can see, here is the white checked mark. So these are in white. And we have here the instructions, and here is the packaging. Okay, as you can see, there is no other cable or anything else included, only these AirPods 3 case. It feels really lightweight, and here is the connector. And now I am going to see if it is charged at all. Seems that it's not charged, so let's charge it. I have my charger here. It's connected to the power outlet. Let's just start charging it, and it's blinking in red, which means that it's charging now. This is the original. As you can see, there's not a lot of difference between one and another. Just this part of the lid is much bigger in the original than the one that I was sent. The button, the restart button, is in front, and this is the back, whereas the Apple original charger is on the back, and this has a different material than this one. Cases are almost, if not the same size, so let's just take out these AirPods from here and see what happens. They fit perfectly here. So I'm just gonna open them up. He turns the light on. I'm gonna put them on. It works. And this one as well. Now I'm gonna play some music. And the best thing about this is that these AirPods didn't work anymore with my original case, and this case just saved me $75 or more. I'm so glad I got sent these out for me.